All right, here's a good gas question. They give us a bunch of information, and they want to know the new volume of the balloon. So that would be what they're looking for. The initial volume looks to be 4.5 liters. Initial pressure, I don't see any pressure in there. So if I don't see any pressure, and it might change, it might change in the question, but let's say that the pressure is a wash. Then they say the temperature is 22, so 273, so it'd be 295. So 295.15. That's initial temperature. Oh, and then they throw it in the fridge, which is at 5. So 273 plus 5 would be 278.15 Kelvin. And then they have, initially we've got 2.50 moles of gas, and then they blow 1.50 moles more. And so our ending number of moles will be whatever 2.5 plus 1.5 is, or I think that's 4. Okay, so then I can use my formula, the combined gas law, N1T1 P2V2 over N2T2. And P's I don't need to use because since they didn't mention it, we'll assume that it's held constant. And I'm looking for V2, this one. So V2 is going to be equal to V1 times N2T2 divided by N1T1. Do I have that right? Yep. Then plug in your numbers and solve for what the volume of the balloon's going to be. All right, hopefully that helps you with that one.